5 ways gratitude can heal you. In this presentation, I'm going to show you how regular practice of gratitude can heal you. When your health is less than ideal, you may find it difficult to express gratitude for what you have in your life. However, feeling and expressing gratitude can directly influence how you feel every day and may even help you heal quicker from health conditions. Feeling gratitude helps to shift your mindset, which can lower stress and help your body recover. Here's how gratitude can help heal you and make you feel better. Lowers inflammation in your body. Dealing with chronic inflammation in your body directly influences how you feel. Anything that you can do to reduce the overall inflammation in your body will make you feel better. A study conducted by the Chopra Foundation found practicing gratitude on a daily basis lowered the inflammatory markers in the body. Improves your sleep. If you aren't able to sleep well, your body isn't able to heal itself. The mechanisms in your body that are responsible for healing are most active at night. Even the smallest improvements in our sleep can make a big difference in your overall health. Being grateful and expressing that gratitude before you go to sleep can alter your mindset and influence your sleep patterns. Lowers stress levels. Chronic stress triggers inflammation in your body and puts a strain on your immune system, which decreases your body's ability to heal. Finding things to be grateful for when you are overwhelmed and full of stress can shift your perspective considerably. Having a daily gratitude practice can decrease your perceived levels of stress over time. Improves your mood. When you don't feel your best, you may be prone to experiencing low moods, anxiety, or depression. However, feelings of gratitude have been associated with lower levels of depression and higher satisfaction with life, even when you're dealing with less than ideal circumstances. Feeling a deep appreciation in your heart will help to shift your mood and outlook on life. Helps you overcome trauma. Working to heal the trauma you've experienced is extremely important in the healing process. Trauma can come in many forms and is often correlated with childhood experiences or significant life events. It is also common to experience trauma when you are dealing with a chronic illness. Studies have shown that daily gratitude practice can help you recover more quickly from trauma and traumatic experiences. Including a gratitude practice in your daily life can influence your health. Gratitude has been shown to help improve overall well-being and can create subtle shifts in your health.